Be prepared for your upcoming trade transaction in 2022. Are you planning to start your new venture in the upcoming new year? But don't know how to arrange for cash funds to execute your dream project? We are here to help you. We can support your new business by providing trade finance facilities such as letter of credit, standby letter of credit, and bank guarantees. Discuss your business plan with us and find the right financial instrument that suits your business requirements. Apply for trade finance consultation with our team of experts by clicking the link given in the description box. Our experts are ready to assist you. Contact us now and get started now to embark your new business in the upcoming new year. For more info, email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 97145519699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.